Generative AI is everywhere, and it's doing something sneaky. It lets students outsource the hard part, the thinking part, and that creates an illusion of competence. You feel smart because the output looks right, but the learning muscle never gets used. The big problem is detection. If an AI answer looks like a real student wrote it, how do you reliably tell the difference? It becomes an arms race that educators can't keep up with, because models improve faster than human screening. So the researchers ask a wild question. What if we fight fire with fire? Not by blocking AI, but by weaponizing AI's own weaknesses. Here's the core idea, explained simply. Imagine a multiple choice question with an image. You add tiny, almost invisible visual tweaks to the image. Those tweaks don't change the question to humans, but they can steer AI solvers toward a specific wrong answer. The kicker is what they do next. They treat those wrong answers like a fingerprint. If a student blindly copies an AI, their answers will show the same induced pattern more often than a student who truly reasoned. In other words, they're not guessing, they're testing a hypothesis. If the response pattern matches the AI trap statistics, you have evidence of copying, not just suspicion. They run this against black box assistant behavior, using 3 major multimodal models, Claude, Gemini, and ChatGPT, and they optimize adversarial perturbations with accessible surrogate models, then check whether the induced answer patterns hold up in realistic settings. This paper finds both promise and limits. Yes, these vulnerabilities can be used for principled detection, but it's not magic, because smarter assistance and adaptive behavior can weaken the fingerprint over time. So what should you take away? If AI cheating is unavoidable, maybe defense has to be adversarial too. If you're an educator, researcher, or just obsessed with AI, listen closely, because this is the future of assessments. And now I want your take. Should we design exams that can trap AI, or should we redesign learning entirely? Comment your view, and follow for more viral AI research breakdowns.